Dale Cowan, Senior Agronomist with AGRIS and Wanstead Co-ops, out here today at our MiField technology site. We're going to have a lot of different trials going on this year, and in the soybeans in particular, we're going to do something a little different, a little unorthodox. I talk a lot about soybean inoculant and having nodules on soybeans. That's a symbiotic relationship where rhizobia infect the root and provide nitrogen to the soybean plant, but that's not a free service. Soybean plant gives up a significant amount of energy to support those nodules and that whole process. So what we're saying is we're going to provide all the nitrogen a soybean crop would ever need. Matter of fact, we're going to provide enough nitrogen for a 100 bushel soybean crop. And that energy that would normally be diverted into supporting the nodules, we want to see if that energy can be reallocated into producing more yield, more pods, more main stem flowers, more pods, more beans. And to assist in some of that, obviously we're going to spoon feed nitrogen every week. We are actually going to roll these beans here in next week. We're right at the first true trifoliate. The second one just starting to develop. We haven't quite unfolded fully yet. So we have 2 full trifoliates and third one coming. We're actually going to roll these beans with a roller. We're going to rough them up a bit. We're going to get them to branch a little more. Hopefully with all the nitrogen provided, we're going to have a real growth spurt. So we want to be able to shorten those beans, make them a little bushier, more branched, more flowering nodes, more pods. And we're also going to relieve any other abiotic stresses. We're going to do a foliar feed every week. We're going to check for leaf disease and any insect damage and treat those as necessary. But one of the other yield components here is increasing the amount of solar radiation the soybean plant actually uses. So one of the reasons for rolling is getting the bush out, but to shorten them as well, reduce lodging, because the only way you're going to intercept more sunlight if the bean stays standing up. So we're going to do a number of different things here. It'll be interesting to see. There's kind of a method to the madness here, and we'll discuss more of that in August at the plot day.